Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm showing you guys how to set up environment for ESP32 using PlatformIO in Visual Studio Code. Why I chose PlatformIO? Because it's a support a lot of library for ESP32 and you don't need to just Google for ESP library. So when you use Arno IDE, and the important thing is it is very friendly for developer like us, right? So before we get started, make sure you guys are subscribed to this channel and click the bell and to be notified of my new video on learn ESP32, learn microcontroller, and learn embedded system. Right, so thank you. So we get started now. The first thing, we are going to install Visual Studio Code for your computers. Yes, you can enter the Google and search Visual Studio Code for your computers, Visual Studio Code for your computer, and enters. Visual Studio Code download. You can see a lot of result for my shares, and you can roll this page, and you can see Visual Studio Code and click to open this page. You can see it's support for Windows, for Linux, and for Mac. If your computer using Windows, you can click here. If your computer using Linux, and you can click here, and similarly for your computers using MacBook, and click here. So because I using my computer using Windows, and I will click download icons for Windows to download package for my computer. Yes, and you can waiting a few minutes. It's then download successful, and you can shows in folders, and click right and click right mouse, and click right mouse to install run as administrator to install my computers, right? Your I'm sorry, your computer, and click here, and you can click yes. You can make it for end user for system. I install Visual Studio Code before now, and you can see my computers experience this mentions, and you can say okay. Yes, click okay, and click the okay. As you can show, if you your computers cannot Visual Studio Code in not install Visual Studio Code, and you can click the administrator for install Visual Studio Code, right? So and then you install successful, and then you use Visual Studio Code app and enter, and then you can and then you are we are going to install extensions PlatformIO for Visual Studio Code. And click you can see left, you can see left the Visual Studio Code, and you can click the extension. And in the search you can try PlatformIO. Platform IO. Yeah, and you click here. Yes, and you click the install, because I install before now in is appearance uninstall in here. If you don't install platform for Visual Studio Code, and you can click here, and if my computer, if my Visual Studio Code experience uninstall in here, and you can install install it successful, right? So and click here, and you click here, and wait a few minutes. So and then you install successful PlatformIO, and then you can tutorial you and show you code the first program for ESP32 and Flash for ESP32. Yeah. And the additional condition, you can you have ESP32 and plug in connect ESP32 for a USB on computer. Yeah. Yeah, I forgot I tutorial one step to you can flash ESP32 from code your computer to ESP32, right? So and you can see, yeah, as you can see like this. If ESP32 if your ESP32 using chip, if CP 1000, and you need to install driver for ESP32 to flush a code from your computer to ESP32, right? And you can do, and you into the Google, and you can search CP 212 euro to driver download. Yeah, and install your computer, like install Visual Studio Code, right? And you can see, and you can click here, and you browse, and you click download, and you click on the virtual window driver if your computer using Windows, and similarly for other operation system. Yeah. And you can click to download a package in your computer and install similar for like you install and you download and install Visual Studio Code in this step, in the first step. Yeah. Okay. And then you install driver successful, and I'm going to show you the first first program for ESP32, and you click, yeah, and you click the PlatformIO, and waiting within a few minutes. And you click the open, and yeah, and wait a few minutes loading and click the new project, and you can try project name, your project name as SP32, and you can select the board. Now I'm using SP version 4, and you can so you can choose ESP32 and ESP32 DevKit V DOS SP32 DevKit V1. Okay, and you click here, and framework Arduino. Yes, you can. You choose framework Arduino, and you default location, and unclick default location, and you can choose a path name. You can a location for my project, and SP, so it's your test, right? You can you click finish. Okay, you can see, and please wait the few minutes to loading of the first codes to the setup environment for ESP32. So right, this loading is successful, and trust the author, and you can see then after you create a new project, and you can see a lot of folder, and this folder contains ASP dev kits and the part kits for ESP32, and you can we are going to ongoing work on the main CPPs in SRC's folder, right? And this is the first SP32 project, and you can see, right? And in this you can in here you can see option. You can see a lot of option. The first option build, the second option upload, and the three option clean and test, serial monitor, and new terminal. And so, and you yes, and I going to click the option upload for upload firmware for into ESP32 chip. Okay, and click. Wait for me. Yes, wait a few minutes to upload for SP into ESP32, right? Upload successful, right? And now in SP32 I have the first thing projects I just upload for into SP32. So I finished in this video in here. So if you like this video, click the like icon below, and now thank you for watching, and see you the next video.